Steward of the Land Education Program, Module 5, Ecosystem Knowledge and Environmental Stewardship. Understanding local ecosystems. Key species and their ecological roles. Keystone species and their impact on biodiversity. Predator-prey relationships and food webs. The role of pollinators, decomposers, and primary producers. Natural resource cycles. Water, soil, air. The water cycle and its influence on local ecosystems. Soil formation, erosion, and nutrient cycling. Air quality, carbon cycles, and climate regulation. Signs of ecosystem health and imbalance. Indicators of a thriving ecosystem. Biodiversity, soil fertility, clean water. Recognizing ecosystem stress. Pollution, invasive species, habitat destruction. Community-led monitoring and conservation strategies. Human impact on the environment. Deforestation and habitat destruction. Causes and consequences of deforestation. Impact on biodiversity and climate change. Sustainable alternatives and reforestation efforts. Pollution and waste management. Types of pollution. Air, water, soil, noise, light. Effects on wildlife and human communities. Waste reduction, recycling, and responsible disposal. Climate change and its effect on ecosystems. Global warming, extreme weather, and shifting habitats. Impacts on agriculture, water supply, and species migration. Indigenous and traditional ecological strategies for adaptation. Conservation restoration techniques. Sustainable land and water management. Agroforestry, permaculture, and regenerative agriculture. Water conservation techniques. Rainwater harvesting, wetland restoration. Soil restoration and erosion prevention methods. Wildlife protection and habitat restoration. Strategies for restoring degraded habitats. Community-based conservation initiatives. Legal protection and indigenous stewardship models. Rewilding and ecological restoration projects. Examples of successful rewilding efforts. Role of predators in maintaining balanced ecosystems. Restoring native plant and animal species. Environmental stewardship and advocacy. Indigenous land stewardship practices. Traditional ecological knowledge in conservation. Indigenous-led environmental protection movements. Lessons from sustainable land management practices. Community-based conservation efforts. How local communities can contribute to conservation. Citizen science projects and ecosystem monitoring. Case studies of grassroots environmental movements. Advocating for environmental protection. Policy and legal advocacy for ecosystem protection. Ways to support conservation organizations and initiatives. Educating others about environmental responsibility.